hello there. I'm Ree with WTI, and I just had to show you how happy we are with this RIKADE 3-step ladder. It has been so useful. I use it every single day, and it feels so safe. It is solidly built, and it really starts from the ground up. If you'll notice the anti-slip here on the bottom, it makes it so from the ground up, you have support you need. So whether you're putting it on concrete or hardwoods or carpet, you are not going anywhere. You're not sliding even on the 3rd step. And speaking of steps, you've got to check the step out. So I am a size 9.5-ish foot, but my feet, I still have plenty of room. I feel very safe on it. And you'll notice the design here. It's a bunch of little dots. So unlike other step ladders where if I'm barefoot or with my slipperiest socks on, I am still not slipping. So that's pretty great. Then you'll notice how great it is to store. It is the width of a quarter, so it makes it really easy to fit wherever you want it to. We put ours behind our door, so it makes it really easy to grab. And speaking of grabbing, look at this handle. It is super cushiony. And because it's also lightweight, you can easily hold it with one arm, no problem, even though I'm a little bit of a wimp. It's 12 pounds, so it's easy to carry it to wherever you need it to be. And I really just like its nice, sleek design. It's really pretty. So I can tell you that if you get one, you're gonna probably feel just like I do and be surprised at saying that you love a stepladder. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.